Oh, it's just past sunrise on Wednesday. This will be my third day here in Montauk. I'm out at the lighthouse at the crack of dawn. I hope I just got a nice sunrise. This is the Deep Hollow Ranch. It's the oldest cattle ranch in the USA. First thing they did when they got to America is they brought cattle. And they found green pastures right here. Hi everybody, welcome to Montauk Harbor. It's a beautiful September morning, and we're going to take a walk around and have a look and see what we can find. This is a man-made inlet into Montauk Lake. It used to be the largest freshwater lake on Long Island, but not anymore. It's incredibly windy here at the harbor, so I'm not going to do a lot of speaking. I'd prefer to let the photographs tell the story. You'll have plenty of choices when it comes to charter boats for your fishing adventures. Just be sure to make reservations before you come down. They're often very busy in high season. This is a novel idea. It's called the Montauk Cycle Boat. You can get your exercise while you take a cruise around the harbor. And when you're done fishing for the day, there's plenty of food and refreshment waiting for you back at the harbor. I took a drive over to Star Island, which has some more commercial fishing boats and fishing equipment strewn all over the place. There's really a lot of great photo opportunities. And there's also a yacht club on the other side of the island we can take a quick look at in a few. And of course you can't forget the heroes of Montauk, the ones that watch over the commercial fishermen as they go out and capture our dinners, the Coast Guard. Okay, just a few steps down the road is the Star Island Yacht Club. It's a great place if you want to dock your boat for the season. Anything and everything that you need to enjoy your stay in Montauk, New York can be had right here. I had a bone for you. For you. Hello. You let shut up. Oh, rough yourself. You roughing at me? You roughing at me?
So funny.
What a go. Well, that's all I have for you today. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for pushing on that button and spending some of your valuable time with me here today in Montauk, New York. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscription button in the corner and the bell notification next to it so I can send you notifications when I upload my next video. Please leave a comment below so that I know that you were here and so that I can get back to you and say thanks. And if you enjoy this content, please give us a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.